Hi, we have this scan data available for the Mercedes Sprinter T1N 2003 to 2006. This is the model that was scanned, and now I'll show you the scan data. I will also provide a document with some measurements, which will be on the website. So it's a pretty high definition scan. You can see we got all the internal panels as well as the back door and the sliding door. We've got the bottom of the seat boxes, and for reference, we've got the back of the seats there. We are using this scan to create panels and other items from in CAD. So it appears to be so far so good. The parts we've made are fitted. So I would say it's suitable for use in reverse engineering. You'll note it does not have a floor center or roof center. I will just show you the quality of the mesh wires. So it has not been remeshed, but it has been reduced somewhat, and the current mesh count is 8,918 polygons. So kind of a medium density mesh. Should run okay in most CAD softwares. You can always reduce it more. In Rhino, it runs fine. Thank you. You'll be able to find this on the store. Thank you for your attention.